Welcome back to our channel Inside Medical Education. Today I will discuss about an important homeopathic remedy for piles, that is Aesculus hippocastanum. So let's begin the key symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum. Common name of Aesculus hippocastanum or horse chestnut. The action of this drug is most marked on the lower bowel, producing engorged hemorrhoidal veins with characteristic backache and absence of actual constipation. Severe pain but little bleeding, general venous stasis, varicose veins in purple color. Everything is slowed down, such as digestion, heart and bowels, etc. Torpor and congestion of the liver and portal system with constipation, severe backache rendering the patient unfit for business, flying pain all over, fullness in various parts, dry swollen mucous membrane, throat with hemorrhoidal condition. Head symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are depressed and irritable, head dull, confused, itching as from a cold, pressure on the forehead with nausea, followed by stitches in the right hypochondrium, pain from the occiput to the frontal region with a bruised sensation of the scalp, worse in the morning, neuralgic stitches from right to the left through the forehead, followed by flying pains in the epigastrium, vertigo when sitting and walking. Eye symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are heavy and hot with lacrimation with enlarged blood vessels, eyeballs sore. Nose symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are dry, inspired air feels cold, nasal passage sensitive to it, coryza, sneezing, pressure at the root of the nose, membrane over turbinate bones distended and boggy, dependent upon hepatic disorders. Mouth symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are scalded feeling, metallic taste, salivation, tongue thickly coated, feels as if scalded. Throat symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are hot, dry, raw, stitching pains radiating to the ear when swallowing, follicular pharyngitis connected with hepatic congestion, veins of the pharynx distended and tortuous, throat sensitive to inspired air, feels excoriated and constricted, burn like fire on swallowing. In the afternoon, early stage of atrophic pharyngitis in dried up. Bilious subjects, hawking of ropey mucus with a sweetish taste, laryngitis, cough, depending on the liver disorder. Stomach symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are wet as of a stone, with gnawing, itching pains, maximum about 3 hours after meals. Abdomen symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are tenderness and fullness in the region of the liver, dull itching in the liver region and epigastrium, pain in the umbilical region, jaundice, throbbing in the hypogastrium and pelvis. Rectal symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum, that is dry, itching, feels full of small sticks, anus raw, sore, severe pain after stool with prolapse, hemorrhoids with sharp shooting pains up the back, blind and bleeding. Worse during climacteric, large, hard, dry stools, mucous membrane seems swollen and obstruct the passage. Burning in the anus with chills up and down the back. Urinary symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are frequent, scanty, dark, muddy, hot pain in kidneys, especially left and ureter. Male symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are discharge of prostatic fluid during stool, that is prostaturia. Female symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are constant throbbing behind symphysis pubis, leukorrhea with lameness of the back, across the sacroiliac articulation, dark yellow, sticky, corroding, worse after menses. Heart symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are feels constricted, heart's action full and heavy, can feel pulsation all over, sensation of heat in the chest, pain around the region of heart in hemorrhoidal subjects. Back symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum are lameness in the neck, Etching between the shoulder blade, region of the spine feels weak, back and legs give out. Backache affecting the sacrum and hips, worse walking or stooping. When walking, feet turn under. Sole feel sore, tired and swollen, hands and feet swell and become red after washing. Feel full. Extremities of Aesculus hippocastanum are etching and soreness in the limbs. In the left acromion process, radiating to the arms, fingertips numb. Fever of Aesculus hippocastanum are chill at 4 pm, chills run up and down the back. Fever 7 pm to 12 pm, evening fever. Skin hot and dry, sweat profuse and hot with fever. Relationship of Aesculus hippocastanum. You can compare the symptoms of Aesculus hippocastanum with Aesculus glabra, aloes, colinsonia, nux vomica and sulfur. So friends, this is the video on symptomatology of Aesculus hippocastanum. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.